This is a microprocessor dissolution test apparatus model 1918 Form EI. Microprocessor dissolution test apparatus is a solid-state instrument designed for the determination of active drug ingredient in any pharmaceutical formulation, tablet or capsule as per IP and USP specifications. Some of the unique features of this instrument are 4-line alphanumeric LCD display with backlit, 19 soft touch membrane type keys, independent stirrer, platform keys on the front panel, storage facility for 200 samples, facility for setting up 20 different test methods using routine and sustain modes. The instrument is equipped with temperature sensor, mesh baskets, paddles, rubber billow, glass pipettes, thermometer, level screws, spare clips, spare fuse, circulating pump main lead, Allen key, instruction manual, dust cover, SS pillars, and a spanner. Here we have a 20 into 4-line alphanumeric LCD display with backlit for displaying various test parameters. Run LED indicates that the instrument is in sample run mode. Alarm LED indicates that an alarm is reached for test over interruption. End LED indicates that the current sample run mode is over. Heater status LED indicates the current internal status of the relays for the heater. Platform up-down LED indicate the upward-downward movement of the platform respectively. Main key is used to interrupt the ongoing process and take the control to the main menu. Escape key is used to return back to previous step. Enter key is used to accept any given operation. 0 to 9 keys are used to enter numeric values and alphabets as well as for selection of menus. View key is used to view the parameter of ongoing test. Stirrer on is a universal key used to start the stirrer movement at any time. Stirrer off is used to stop the stirrer movement at any time. Platform up and down keys are used to start the platform movements in the upward or downward direction at any time. At the rear side of the instrument, we have a fuse to protect the internal circuit of the instrument. T1 input socket for connecting water bath temperature probe. T2 input socket for connecting reaction vessel temperature probe. Printer port for dot matrix printer with Centronics interface. Platform up-down manual switch to up-down the platform manually. Platform auto manual switch to switch platform up-down motor in auto or manual modes. Circulatory pump socket to give power to the circulation pump. An on-off switch to switch on and off the circulatory pump. At the side panel we have mains on-off switch to switch on and off the instrument. Heater on-off switch which should always be kept on for heater operation during the sample analysis. Remove both supportive stands. Place the footrest at the bottom of the instrument. Now, fit all the pillars to the instrument. Now place the water bath on the bottom plate of the instrument and tighten the pillar knobs. Connect the water bath probe to T1 socket at the rear of the instrument. Connect the vessel probe to T2 socket at the rear of the instrument. Connect the circulation pump cable to the circulation pump socket and connect the other end of the cable to the water bath. Connect the heater plug to the rear of the water bath. Move the platform in upward direction using platform up key. Fill the water bath with distilled water up to the water level mark. Fill the 1000 ml jar with the liquid as specified in the dissolution test. Fix the stirrer shaft with paddle as per the number marked on each. Make sure that the paddles are attached as per the number marking done on the spindle of the platform unit. Now move the platform in the downward direction using platform down key. Cover the reaction vessel with round acrylic cover plate with hole and a large slit. Put the vessel probe T2 in any of the jar through the small hole provided on the jar cover. Switch on the instrument and the heater. Press Enter key to continue. Instrument will set the water bath temperature. The heating of the water bath continues till the water bath temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Once it reaches that temperature, the main menu is displayed. User can enter the setups by pressing the numeric key 2 in the main menu. Microprocessor Dissolution Test Apparatus has 3 operating modes, namely Routine Mode, Sustain Mode and Control Mode. The different operation modes are explained in the following chart. The user can store up to 20 different test methods using routine and sustain modes setups and one control setup in the instrument's battery backup memory. Press numeric key 1 to create the setup for routine mode. Using the numeric keys, enter the setup number and press Enter key. The display shows the test parameters for the setup selected in the previous step. Set the RPM value, temperature, test time and alarm time using corresponding numeric keys. After setting the test parameters, press the Enter key. The system will overwrite any data previously entered for this setup and will return to the main menu. Now press numeric key 1 to run the test. Using the numeric keys, enter the setup number and press the Enter key. For selecting setup number 1, press numeric key 1 followed by the Enter key. The instrument will flash the parameters of the setup chosen for the current run mode according to the mode selected. After about 5 seconds, the display automatically proceeds to the next screen. The user can change the batch number and sample number using corresponding numeric keys followed by the Enter key. Select online mode if user wants online printing of the results of the ongoing test, otherwise select offline printing. Now the instrument will set the vessel temperature as per the value in the set temperature parameter of setup selected for current analysis. When the required vessel temperature is reached, the instrument will prompt the user to insert the sample to be analyzed. Insert the sample in the reaction vessel and press Enter key to proceed. The run LED glows indicating the run status of the instrument. On the completion of the test, alarm LED and end LED glow, indicating that the test is over. Press Enter key to return to the main menu. Press numeric key 3 in the main menu to enter the print menu. Press numeric key 4 in the main menu to enter the miscellaneous menu. Press numeric key 1 in the Miscellaneous menu to enter the clock setup menu. Press numeric key 1 or 2 to change the clock date or time respectively. Press numeric key 2 in the Miscellaneous menu to enter the temperature calibration menu. It is essential that the two temperature probes, that is of the water bath and the vessel, be calibrated, that is matched with each other. These are matched at the factory end before dispatch of the instrument. However, if these are required to be recalibrated or matched, it can be done with this option. Press numeric key 1 on the display to enter the temperature probe calibration menu. The display now is showing the current temperature of the water bath as measured by the water bath probe and the temperature of the vessel as measured by its probe respectively. Let the two temperatures stabilize. Press the respective numeric key, that is 1 to enter the new temperature as measured by water bath probe or 2 to enter the new temperature as measured by the vessel probe. This new temperature is accepted and the temperature probe is calibrated. Press numeric key 3 in the Miscellaneous menu to enter the stirrer setup menu. Press numeric key 4 to enter security in the Miscellaneous menu. Press numeric key 5 in the Miscellaneous menu to select power failure mode. Thank you for watching the video.